Hello and welcome. I'm Eldarduil. In this video, I'm going to show how to install the extension that I made makes the 3D physics collision shapes visible. So first thing first, we need to download it from my itch.io page. Here's the name of the extension, Show 3D Collision Shapes. Let's press download. No thanks. Download. Yeah, we downloaded it. Let's go back to Gdevelop and let's open our menu. Let's add an extension, import extension. Then let's add our download the JSON file for the extension, which I already have in this project. So it shows me this window. So I'm going to choose replace. So first thing we need to do, let's go to our character. I'm just going to show also how to add this. Let's press the add behavior. Let's write collision. So it comes as a behavior. It comes as an object behavior. So show 3D collision shapes. We add it. We can change color here. This is how it's gonna be rendered on top of everything, or it's gonna be rendered with the depth calculation. This is shows and hides the collision shape, and this allows you to see it in the 3D editor or not. As you can see, there are some issues with the 3D editor, which is related to some limitations in the engine that we can't access everything, or the engine doesn't expose everything to the behavior code. So we press apply. So, and I'm gonna show you one more thing. Let's change our characters collision shape. Now it's capsule. Let's make it cylinder and press apply. See, nothing changed, but it has a very quick solution, which is you just need to swap to the events, come back, and now it's there. So let's make it a little smaller. Let's say radius 30, depth 180, apply. As you can see, it didn't change it immediately. So we need to do that trick again. As you can see, it's updated. And also you guys gonna notice some collision shapes in the 3D editor is stretched. But when I play the game, it's gonna be 100% correct. Here you can see the sphere collision shapes looks correct. Cylinder collision shapes looks correct. So, and the extension comes with two actions, which is toggle 3D collision shapes visibility and toggle 3D collision shape depth test, which works with object groups also. So what you need to do is just select an object which has that behavior. Then let's type collision. As you can see from the show 3D collision shapes extension, it has two actions. This just toggles it. As you can see, I have some conditions due to pressing number keys and stuff. As you can see, you can apply to all the object groups or just one single object. That's why in this demo project, because on every object is on group, so it hides and shows all of them, all of their collision shapes. The link for the extension is gonna be down in the description and also in the pinned comment. So I hope you guys like it. I'm sure it's gonna be really helpful, especially for 3D development, 3D games in Gdevelop, because handling the collision shapes without seeing it is really a huge burden. So thank you so much. And I'm also gonna put a put the links of my other extensions. You guys can check all of them. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.